Hello, Bob Anderson, creator of the Leadership Circle, founder of Leadership Circle Profile. In this model of the Unity Academy that we're explicating in these videos, the center point is unity. All these polarities, all these opposites seemingly emerge from the one. I think of polarity as trinity, duality emerging from one, 0 point. So what is unity? Well, that's a huge subject, and it's well beyond what we can explicate here. The Tao that can be spoken is not the Tao, and yet we try to describe our experience. I spoke in the module on physics that the field is a unified field where the whole is in every part, and this instantly updated as this living field learns. You are that field. You are an extension of that field. And as the great physicists state, in perfect harmony with the great wisdom traditions, prior to, more fundamental than the field, than energy, space, time, and matter, is consciousness. And as David Bohm said, it's a unbroken wholeness, the implicate order, the absolute. Some call this God, some call this Brahman, we call it many things. But all the traditions touch on it as the most profound and the deepest level of our being. To presence this is unity, consciousness, or presence. How do we more fully embody this? And so at the Unity Academy, we're actually going to learn energetic practices that open our field to more and more flow of energy, more and more higher and wider bandwidth of frequencies, and literally experience and be able to presence more and more of this unbroken wholeness, or more and more of this unified reality that we are. Ultimately, the deepest ground of our being is divine. However you relate to the absolute, that's the core of our being. And so the Unity Academy is an initiation into presencing the fullness of who we are. And we will learn multi-dimensional approaches, accessing deeper and deeper into the field and being able to presence it. We will learn, as we talked about in the little module on shadow, that we will move into in loving unitive presence, the contracted light, which we call shadow or trauma or wounding, to release the essence that's trapped there. And in being able to open more to the flow of love and light and grace and presence in our field, and releasing what's caught in shadow, contracted light, we become a more and more radiant presence where there's literally nothing between you and the music. You become the universe, the one verse. And this is the presence that is transformative. It is the elixir, the catalyst of transformation. And it's that we're after in the Unity Academy, that you become ever more transparent to the one light, ever more pure conductor, of the one sound. That your countenance, your gaze, your body become a transducer, a transmitter that is transformative. I hope to see you at the Unity Academy.